Good morning. Today we are working on this Deutz-Fahr Agrotron 135, and it's all disassembled inside the cab because we are working on heating. So this heating was not working and someone else was already inside here. This is the AC air conditioning heater matrix, and it's fucked, it's clogged all the way. This is your heater that the coolant goes through, so this is basically heating your tractor in the winter. And you need to disassemble all these. So left side panel, these are the controls. You need to disassemble the right panel. I just lifted up, but you need to disassemble everything. Just to get to the motor. So you have the right side motor and the left side motor. Each of these motors has a resistor pack on it. So if you don't have speeds, if you only have speed number 4 or something like that, then it's probably your resistor motor, but you need to disassemble all that. And if you're missing like speed number 1, 2 or 4, these are your fan relays. So these 3 fans are engaging your speed, so your fan speed. So I checked the relays; they were all good, and I suspected that the resistors or motors were bad, and I got to this conclusion. Both of these motors were just fucked, and you can see they're different. Each one is different, so someone was already inside there and they just replaced the left one because it was easier to get to. The right one is still the original one, and they didn't touch that one, so that one was completely busted. And on that side the resistor was also bad, so I replaced both of the motors. I replaced one resistor, and here you have left and the right side fan motor. It's not an easy job, but as if we disassemble all that, so it's the best thing to replace both the resistors and both motors, and to be sure that we won't have to go inside there anytime soon. So I will connect the motors now and I will test it. I got the motors installed, so now they're off. So you can see first gear, this one is working, it's working. Second gear, third. So that should be good. Now all I have to do is put everything back. Yes.